Did you know your gut could do this?
And as you hang out in this space where you're not having as many reactions and you're
Mhm.
eating in a way that you know will work for your body, that is the space where your body is like the tissues are healing. And just
Mhm.
remember, like your intestinal cells heal faster than they replicate faster than any cells in your body.
Yeah, is it 5 to 10 days or 7 to 10 days or something?
Well, yeah, it's super fast compared to every other cell. Yeah.
Okay.
So knowing that I think is helpful. So if you think about it, like let's say with the oregano oil, you have a flare. Okay, the tissues are inflamed. That sucks. Is irritation. Yeah, 5 to 10 days later, you're starting to actually replenish those cells. They're healing. If we can go another 5 to 10 days without any flare happening at all, you're having that much more vitality in those tissues.
Thanks for watching. That was just a small taste of what it's like to be in the group coaching calls in gut rebuilding. So, if you are bloated or constipated or deal with gut based issues such as autoimmunity and allergies, make sure you visit gutrebuilding.com to get my training to learn about the mistakes that most people make when trying to heal their gut. If you are a practitioner, visit gutrebuildingexperts.com to get more resources for how to coach your clients better or learn more about gut based healing as a way to get better results with your patients and clients. Make sure you subscribe. I put out new videos every Wednesday.